Why should you start a freight brokerage? Hello and welcome to Learn Freight. Let's get straight to the point and discuss why you should open your freight brokerage and how much money you could potentially make. As a freight broker, you will essentially become the middleman between a shipper or someone needing to ship cargo and a transportation company, someone who can actually transport cargo. Even so, you will not take physical possession of the freight, you will earn commission for making such arrangement. How much money could you make? Let us offer you a simplified example. You have a client who needs something shipped. Your client is willing to pay $1,500 to ship their cargo. You find a trucking company that can transport this freight for $1,200. You charge your client $1,500, pay $1,200 to the trucking company, and keep $300 as your commission. Not bad for just one transaction. Obviously, there are many factors you will need to take into consideration. But that is what our course is for. We're here to familiarize you with the most important facts related to freight brokering transactions. Now, the best thing about freight brokering business is that your operations can be scaled. This means that you're not limited in the number of transactions you conduct. And so there's really no limit in how much money you can make. Of course, you can keep your operations simple and just handle a couple of clients and earn money in a more passive manner, or you may choose a more aggressive strategy and hire freight agents to generate such transactions for you. For example, if you hire 10 freight agents and each of them generates just 15 transactions per month with an average commission of $300, you can create a commission revenue of $45,000 per month. That is over $500,000 per year. Pretty reasonable considering all the transactions were not generated by you, but rather by other people. Of course, you will have to split the commission with your agents and cover the operational expenses. On the other hand, top freight agents can generate much more than 15 transactions a month. Another advantage is that you can virtually run your freight business from anywhere in the United States. These days, most of the transactions will take place over the phone and email, so you can set up your private office or choose to operate from the comfort of your home. You can also choose to work regular hours or set a flexible schedule for yourself. It is entirely up to you and your business plans. As you gain experience and capital, you can potentially expand into other segments of the transportation industry, such as warehousing, trucking, and dispatching. And by doing that, you can increase your profit potential even further. In the following lessons, we will not just show you how to obtain your freight broker license or teach you the basics of freight brokerage operations, but we will also provide you with some ideas on how to market yourself and how to look for clients. And with that being said, let's move on to the next lesson and discuss what skills might be helpful in your venture to start a freight brokering business.